Comment 1108 tells you or reminds you about the fastest way to increase or decrease by a certain percentage. Now, the slow way is if you want to increase 110 by 10%, you work out 10% is 11 and then you add it on. But the faster way is to times by 1.1. Now, how did I get 1.1? You just take the decimal version of that and add it to the number 1, and that's the number that you multiply by. So if I wanted to increase by 20%, times by 1.2. Want to increase by 8%, times by 1.08, because the decimal version of 8% is 1.08. If you want to decrease by 5%, times by 0.95. In this case, you take the decimal version of that and subtract it from 1. So if you want to decrease by 50%, the decimal version of 50% is 0.5, so you times by 1 minus 0.5. In other words, 0.5. Now, why does this work? Well, let's do it the slow way. Increase 100, or increase 200 by 30%. Okay, so we take 30% of 200 and we add it to the original. 30% of 200 is 30 over 100 of 200 is 30 over 100 is 30 100ths of 200, which is 30 over 100 times 200. That is 0.3, and that is 1 times that. I'm now factorizing. I see something twice, so I wrote it once, open up a bracket, write what it used to be with. Right, it used to be with those. So there we go. The fastest way to increase by 30% is to times by 1.3.